Your father is loving and an honest and a just man, but you are his most prized possession. And I've heard him say that, short of losing his life, if his child's was spared, he'd be the wealthiest man alive. And we both know that your father has a great many treasures on this side of heaven. So basically what I'm trying to say is after I was able to finally speak with him, he told me how honored he was to have a man like me that he trusted as a son, love his daughter like I do. So since you're here, I guess I should ask you that question that you should say yes to. Get this up. I told you I was always going to kiss your knee, so I'm going to kiss your knee first. Princess, will you go with me, build a castle and be my queen? Or better yet, te quieres casar conmigo?